So let's talk about multiplying monomial by polynomial. So again, when we are multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, we will use the distributive property, wherein we will multiply the monomial to each term of our polynomial. So let's have our example. We have negative 4x squared multiplied to 7x squared plus 3x minus 5. So we're going to perform the distributive property. So let's start by multiplying our monomial, negative 4x squared, to our first term, 7x squared. So remember, when we multiply monomial by monomial, we multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, variable by the variable. And when we multiply variables, we copy the base and add the exponent. Okay, so let's multiply the coefficient by the coefficient. So negative 4 times 7, that will be negative 28. Then x squared times x squared, copy the variable x and then add the exponent. 2 plus 2, that will give us 4. So their product is negative 28x raised to 4. Okay, next, let's proceed to our monomial. Okay, let's multiply our monomial to our second term. So here, we will perform the same procedure. Coefficient times the coefficient. So negative 4 times 3. That will give us negative 12. Okay, variable times the variable. So x squared times x. Remember that x has an invisible exponent of 1. So copy the variable x and then add the exponent. 2 plus 1, that will give us 3. So their product will be negative 12x raised to 3. And last one, let's proceed to negative 4x squared multiplied to negative 5. So again, multiply the coefficient by the coefficient. So negative 4 times negative 5, that will be positive 20. Remember, since we don't have any variable beside our coefficient, we will just copy the variable x raised to 2. So we will have x raised to 2. So their product will be positive 20x raised to 2. And that's it. And the product of this monomial and polynomial will be negative 28x raised to 4 minus 12x raised to 3 plus 20x raised to 2. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.